I feel like every second commercial I see right now is from the brand Sunday. They're pushing these products really hard and saying that they can transform your lawn with a few simple applications. But is that the case? I recently tested their Dandelion Doom and was somewhat impressed with how well that product works. If you want to see a full video on that product, I'll leave it linked at the end of this one. But this video is about their Weed and Green. Now this says it will control a number of weeds, but what we're looking for from this product today is its control of dandelions, clover, hopefully it works on the violet, and then narrow leaf and broadleaf plantain. Now, some of these weeds, it says it suppresses, it won't actually kill them, but hopefully it can do a little bit of damage and knock them out and allow my new lawn to thrive and grow in around it and hopefully smother out those weeds. Another thing with this Weed and Green is it is a pre-emergent, and this bottle apparently does it all. Now we're going to do some kind of spot treatment today. I've got some areas in my yard where I've got a lot of plantain, like this section over here. And then as I move up my yard, I got some clover and some more plantain over here. On this side, it's pretty decent. This side here, I think, is where it got warmer faster, so the soil temperatures were getting warmer, and therefore these weeds germinated earlier than the cooler section of my yard. Just my theory, but we're going to get this Weed and Green down, connects to your hose, really simple connection. On-off switch, like most of these hose end sprayers have. I did pinch my hose from my sprinkler, so I can turn it on with my phone. You pick the right one? Yes. So hopefully this also works as the pre-emergent. It'll stop these guys coming back. Ooh, it's brown. Make sure you give these good going. Into there. Watch out for the wind. I think we did a good job there. Some clover right here, so let's see how well it works on the clover, where it's easy to identify if it worked or not. There's some in here, but let's just work this little area here. Okay, and you can see it's a big dandelion, I believe. This part there looks like it already has soaked into the clover. A little bit right there. See what it looks like in a couple hours. And then there's the violet. We're not sure if that's going to work or not, but it's got plenty of product on there, and hopefully it does kill it. 2 hours in, I don't see much difference on the clover, but the dandelion, or the thing I think is a dandelion, definitely starting to crisp up. That's good. And this clover here, this one definitely got hit a little bit more. It's starting to struggle. The violet is right here. Yeah, nothing much is going on with that yet. After 24 hours, the lawn isn't looking too good because of all the clover patches, the violet patches, and the plantains. They're kind of adding some brown, black areas to the yard. Little patch right here where we had some clover, plantains. They've all been somewhat taken out. So I think the early results show that this product does work, but let's give it another couple of days and see if it actually does or not. We may need to make a second application for some of these more established weeds, but that's typical with many other products on the market, so that's not a flaw of this product. But hey, very impressed with how well this product has worked so far. So I think it's safe to say that that Weed and Green worked on the dandelion leaves. Whether it killed the root or not, we'll see whether it comes back. Same with the clover, to see whether it actually takes it out completely. We also got some collateral there of another weed. Well, I'm interested to see it. Look at this here, this violet. It's not doing too hot. So that means that it is working on the violet too. Really like to see that, but whether it actually kills it completely or not, be determined, especially on this dandelion. Maybe it has to be sprayed again, but I think it's a really good result from spraying just once. These plantain and that little violet there, they're not doing too good. It's controlling them. Whether it's going to kill them off completely, we'll still see, but it's going to allow the grass to start growing. And it looks like I need to sharpen my mower blades, getting some not very good cuts right here, so we'll have to come and get them sharpened. But overall, pretty good. Lawn's looking pretty good as well, but you can see these brown areas. Look at the clover right there. And then just these dark spots just right here. This is where the clover's dying off. Look at this here. It's got the violet here, got the clover that's curling up, got a plantain right here, and more clover, and more violet. Just really impressive results. Overall, I'd say I'm pretty happy with how well this weed and green worked, especially on the clover and the dandelions that were in my yard. Now, if you're looking to get this to apply it to other weeds, I can't say that it's going to work very well, but you can see that it has damaged those plantains, and the violet it has kind of killed off. I'll do a review in a few months' time to see whether this has completely killed off the weeds and stopped them from coming back, and whether the pre-emergent properties in this weed and green have actually worked. If you want to see more DIY content around the home, make sure you check out this video here next.